Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Mary Sharina and my beloved crewmates. In this video, we are going to talk about our SQL database for UKM eTraffic. There are 5 tables that we have created, which are category, find record, system administrator, user, and vehicle. So for category, there are 2 attributes in that table. The primary key is code underscore category, and another attribute is category consists of K or A. The next table is find record. There are 4 attributes in find record. The primary key for find record is number underscore receipt. Next attribute is F underscore date. After that is F underscore fault, and lastly F underscore amount. Let's go to the next table, which is system underscore administrator. There are 3 attributes in this table. The primary key for this table is SA underscore ID. The next attribute is SA underscore pass. Then the lastly is SA underscore name. So for the fourth table, which is for user, there are 5 attributes in it. The primary key is U underscore ID. The next attribute is U underscore name. So there are 2 foreign key in this table, which are code underscore cat, refers to category in the first table, and then SA underscore ID refers to system administrator. Then the lastly attribute is number underscore license. The last table that we have created, which is vehicle, the primary key for this table is number plate. Then the next attribute is vehicle underscore model, which is short form it as V underscore model. I think that's all. Next, I will pass to Naresh to tell you about the data inside the table.
Hi guys, I'm Naresh. So for this assignment, my task is to insert data into the table that has been created by Achap. So you can just refer to the report for the datas. Then there are 2 methods that can be used to insert data into the table. One is the normal way, you just can refer the report and then insert the data. Another one is you can go into the query design and then use the SQL command to insert data into the table. You can use both ways, but I prefer the normal way. Thank you.
Insert. If you look at this user table, it has column UID, UNAME, GotCat, and SAID. So I insert a value into user in a column UID, UNAME, GotCat, and SAID with this type of values. Supposedly, this user table will be added up with this kind of data, but for some reason, if I run this program, I get an error. Update. I update something from the vehicle table, which I set the vehicle V model to BMW, where the vehicle number plate is WSP0382. So WSP0382 will be updated to BMW, where before the value is EX5. Delete. From find record, I deleted the value of FDAT, FFault, and FAmount, where the number of receipt is S000006. So if you look at the find record table, previously we have this kind of value, but now it is deleted. Like. From user table, I selected all the data where I want to list all the things that start with S in the column UNAME. If I run this, supposedly we'll list the data for city and Seran. But for some reason, if I run this, I get nothing. This thing. From category table, I select this thing the category column. If I run this, it will only show me the different values in the category column. There is no differences between this value and this value because there are no duplicated values in category column. In. From system administrator table, I selected all the data. I want to know the data for the admin with the password UKM501 and UKM202. If I run this program, it should show me their data.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.